Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 15th to 19th. This is what we're forecasting this period. We have a ridge here near the Aleutians. This is for September 15th to 19th. Ridge here near the Aleutians, trough in the west, another trough in the east, and a ridge in the plains. Energy will move across the northern states and southern Canada, bring heavy rainfall to northern California, northern Minnesota. Look at that, the surface. And upper Michigan, you can see the system right here. And moisture that was Tropical System K is forecast to interact with the western trough, produce locally heavy rainfall from the Great Basin and the northern Rockies. So we look at that, and then you can see it right here across the northern Rockies. And a front will settle near the Gulf Coast, and possible tropical formation is possible off the southeast coast. We'll take a look at that. See, the GFS is the only model showing that. And look at the GFS ensembles, it's not there. And the other models don't show that. Well, the Canadian ensemble shows it. Something developing off the southeast coast, so it has to be watched. And the ridge and the plains will cause heat to build with anomalies of up to 15 degrees above normal where possible. Okay, looking at the period for September 20th to 24th. We have a trough in the west, ridge in the east, above normal height zone of flow. We still have our ridge near the Aleutians. So the models are pretty agreement with that. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and anomalies could exceed 8 degrees above normal in some locations in the plains. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead for the period for September 25th to 29th. The GFS is only models that shows a trough here in the northeast and the west, while even its ensembles has more of a zone of flow, ridge across southern states, as does the rest of the models, zone of flow across the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for a little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, let's see, do I have the precipitation map up? Calling for below normal precipitation for much of the west and the upper Mississippi Valley, and the probability of occurrence near 40%. Now, this time of the year, I like to look at what's going on across Alaska and Northwest Canada to see what kind of winter we could have. And temperatures have been warmer here across the west. This is in the last month of August, but below normal elsewhere across western Alaska, near normal, eastern Alaska. But then as let's see if we can go to another month. Look at July, and pretty much the same thing, below normal. So that's a good sign if you like cold weather and snow, because a lot of our colder air comes from here. But let's see if I can get it. But right now, I think the coldest area excuse me. Hope it loads. Okay, it looks like the coldest spot across North America is across this region, northwest Canada, northern Canada. Look, 28 degrees, 32 degrees. It's also fairly cold here, 35 degrees parts of Alaska, 39, 46 is current. But it looks like the coldest air is across this region here. So just a sign to see, what's going on. Snow, the ice cover is increasing, although still below normal. So that's a lot to be considered in the upcoming winter season. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for September 15th to 29th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.